The truth about manifesting what you want. From a young age, many of us are taught that when we do something right, we receive a reward. Make a good grade in school, get a gold star or our name on a bulletin board. Be polite and mannerly, get a hug and a kiss on the cheek. Do our chores, get a piece of candy. As we get older, we continue to seek those rewards. Finish a project early, get a bonus. Stick to a diet for a few days, get a dessert. Buy 10 cups of coffee, get a free cup. When we use the law of attraction, we tend to want quick rewards. You say what you want and ka-zam, the universe rewards you. Isn't that wonderful? Who wouldn't want that to happen? It takes us back to our childhood with rewards coming in from teachers and parents, neighbors and grandparents. Everyone wanted us to know that we did something right and we deserved a reward. We deserve rewards. We work hard. We strive. We do whatever it takes to get what we want. The steps we take to manifest what we want, we follow all the rules. We write down what we want, describing in the smallest detail exactly what we want to happen. The rules tell us to do this and we do. The rules tell us that if we do this, the universe will reward us. The rules tell us that the law of attraction must work and we will be rewarded for our efforts. We develop rituals. We chant over and over our thanks and love to the universe for bringing us what we want. We know that if we send heart energy out to the universe, our reward will appear. We know that if we but give over to this loving feeling, the universe must reward us. We know that if we deeply care about ourselves each and every day as part of the ritual, the universe will hear and reward us. We use formulas. We write prescriptions of who we are and what we want and tape them to doors and windows. We know that if we see them, then the universe must also see them and bring us our reward. We know that if we read them each day, then the universe hears us each day and our reward will come to us. We know that if we memorize the words and remember them throughout the day, then the universe will also hear them and reward us. But are we really getting what we want? We are so dumb. We believe all this mumbo-jumbo that we deserve a reward because we did all the right things. The universe could care less whether we write it down, say it out loud, turn around 3 times while standing on one leg, and drinking a glass of water. We are so dumb. We believe that the universe brings us our reward for doing all the right things to receive what we want. The universe doesn't reward us. It is not a parent bending down to pat our head or a teacher handing us a report card with all A's. We are so dumb. We believe that we get something because we said the magic words that only a handful of people know, because if more people knew then it wouldn't be so special. The universe doesn't just give to some, it gives to all. What we get is not a reward for wanting or asking. What we get is the answer to what we wanted or asked. Rewards are an external result of doing. The law of attraction comes to us by the inner result of knowing, of feeling, of being aware that we already have what we want or what we ask for without actually wanting or asking for it. Have you ever wondered why special things happen without you trying to make them happen? You didn't ask for that empty parking space to be there, but it was. You didn't ask for the flower vendor to give you a flower, but he did. You didn't ask for the driver to let you go first at the stop sign, but she did. You didn't ask for any of these, and yet you received something. No reward. Just something given without you trying to make it happen. Something given without you wanting something or wanting something in return. Go ahead and ask the universe for what you want. Do it. Make it the best thing you can possibly want. Feel it. Believe in it. But just don't expect that the universe will reward you with a result. Instead, it just might give you what you want.